guys, welcome to my scrappiness in our 12 projects of Christmas.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. Today we are going to work on the 12 projects of Christmas.
The project that we're going to be working today will be
the Christmas cards that I was telling you about. And I am going to insert here a picture of the kit. It's a Kringle card kit. I wanted to make bigger cards because the kit only makes A2 sizes, and I wanted to make 5x7 cards. I hauled this from Michael's, and I like these edges here. I'm going to use the card kit stickers. I actually was able to haul this to the actual card kit stickers.
Next, I'm going to use the actual Kringle photo play paper kit.
I already showed these papers in my recent haul, and I'm going to link the haul down in the description below. So let me show you the card that I am hoping to play with. I'm going to work on 2 cards today. Okay guys, this is the first card we're going to create. The kit doesn't have these papers, something similar though, so I'm going to use this. This is the cut up part at the back, and we'll work that out later. But right now we're going to use this red Christmas tree paper for down here, and the plaid over here we're going to use this paper. And then of course we are going to use the stickers, and we're going to also foam dot this sticker, so it'll be some of the trees will be up and some of them will be at the front background. So let's start playing, guys. I'm excited. I'm gonna put this on the side so I can use it. And by the way guys, I already cut ahead a black cardstock here, measure 6.5 by 1/2 of an inch. Okay, let's put this on the side, and we're going to get our trimmer over here. I'm going to trim about, okay, so let me see. I'm gonna trim about 1.5 inch of the trees. And then of the plaid paper, I am going to cut apart about 3.5, because what we're doing is the card, although it is a 5x7 card, it has a 1/4 inch border on here. So this right here, this white portion, is now measuring 6.5 by 4.5. So we're taking 1.5 here, and we're going to take 3.5 of the plaid. So okay, so if you put these 2 together, this will be 3 plus 1.5, that will be 4.5. Now let's cut these papers to 6.5. So we'll put this on the side for scraps for later. This is gonna be an easy card, guys. So let's take out a card here. My, these are just card stocks on top. Where are the actual... Okay, let me take this out. These are just the flat cards, guys. Oh my gosh, I thought they are regular cards. They're just flat cards. I'm glad I opened it. That's okay. We're going to use this as the flat cards, and that's still okay because I also need the envelopes for them, so the envelopes came with it. So basically we're just gonna have to create the card to go on top, but that's okay. So basically this is gonna be a card front for now. That's very interesting. I didn't read it. I'm going to put that on the side for the second card that we're going to create. So in the meantime, let's play with this and put this on top. And then put this. Whoa! I cut too much of this plaid. I think I cut about 1/2 inch too much. That's okay. Let me just trim it down. Thought I cut 3 inches. Ah, okay. Thankfully. Well, I did. No, I did cut 3.5. Oh my gosh. This is a new trimmer that I'm using, guys. So I'm like, what the hey am I doing? So yeah, there you go. I trimmed 1/2 inch off. Yikes. Okay. So let's do this. And guys, before I tack the rest of this, I'm going to go ahead and write "Have a Jolly Christmas" because that's what this says on here, where the red thing is. And you know, I have the ugliest handwriting, but hey. So by the way, guys, if you are interested, I'm using this is a jelly roll glaze pen. It is white opaque and it comes, there's 2 in this pack. So just so you know. And then one thing about this is after you write it or write on it, when it's still wet, you can't hardly see it, but as it dries, it becomes more opaque. So I'm going to put this on the side. In the meantime, let's finish the card. Make sure, guys, that this is dry. If you're using the glaze pen, the white glaze pen, the jelly roll glaze pen, make sure it's dry before you tack it on because it'll smear. Okay, let's put this on before we put the stickers. There you go. So this is what I'm going to do. The red stickers, the red sticker trees, I'm going to put them in the background. And then the black ones and the gray ones I will pop up. This is a roll of foam. As you can tell, it's so loved, it's so dirty. But this is what I'm going to use to pop up the stickers. So let me just go ahead and cut a bit of this foam tape. Reaching for my scissors here. And then we will pop the papers or the trees up a bit. So let's start with this 3 here because I want this at the bottom. Let's stick it underneath here a little bit. There you go. Then I want this black one to pop up. See if we can pop it up a bit. Okay guys, here's our first card. What do you think? Thumbs up if you like it. I actually like it. I mean, it's not the same as the one that's on the picture, but it's very similar. So this is our first card, guys. Yay! So let's go to the second card and let me show you which is the second card that I'm planning to make today. So right here is the second card that I want to create. Can you see it? I hope you can. This is the second card. And let me pull the papers and then put this card together. Okay guys, for this card, we are going to use the same paper because this is the one side of the card and this is the other side of the card. So let's cut this card down, and again, be aware of the orientation because it's an up and down portrait style card. So we're gonna cut this to 4.5 by 6.5. And then we are going to cut this into half this way. So it's 4.5, so it's 2 1/4. All right, so this is how the card's gonna go. Let's stick it down. So this is one side of the card. And let's do this on the other side. And this is the other side of the card, the other half of the card. I'm going to butt this on this side, and there's gonna be a little bit of space that's gonna show up, but that's gonna be okay because see that little sliver of space there, and that's gonna be okay because we're gonna tack it down and cover the seams with this cardstock here. This cardstock, by the way, measures 6.5 by 4.5. So make sure it's in the center. Okay, so here's our card. I've already cut out a circle using my Hero Arts Infinity die, and again I used my glaze, my pen, and even if it was, you know, just drawing this stitch marks, I still kind of made a mistake there, but we're going to cover that up. So we're going to put this in the middle, and I'm going to put this seam down at the bottom because I want to cover that with the peppermint. So let's put it down there. This will be our sticker to go at the very bottom that will cover our little mess up over there. And ta-da! You can't see my mess up anymore. And then we're gonna get December 25. And then I want to pop this up. Okay guys, here are our two cards. Well, actually they are card fronts right now, but I will go ahead and place them on regular cards. I'm so happy. It is very simple. These cards are very simple, guys. I'm gonna create the other 6 cards here in the next couple of weeks, and then we're gonna move on to another project. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be notified of any new uploads. And yes, you would want to do that so you can see the rest of the cards that I'm going to create and other projects that I'm going to create on this series of my 12 projects of Christmas. And to my subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing and supporting me and spending your time with me today. I hope you guys are having a fun time watching me, and that's it for now. I appreciate you guys, and that's it. Thanks, and see you later. Bye.